Hello, it's me Satyaprabha from Pondicherry. I'm doing my pediatric fellowship at Indian Academy. Today I'm going to talk about the vision therapy. Vision therapy is more than just a simple eye exercise, it improves brain eye communications. The aim of vision therapy is to enhance the visual skills, eye tracking, focusing, convergency, eye hand coordination, visual processing. Today I am going to do the demonstration of pencil push-up test for the baby of Pujastri at 6 year old. 6 years old. 6 years old. Pencil push-up test. The pencil is drawn slowly towards the nose, trying to keep it in clear focus. The pencil starts to appear as a double image. The pencil should be drawn away from the nose. Again. Instruct the patient to do the exercise home itself per day, duration of 10 minutes. It is an eye exercise and pencil is held directly in front at one arm length. It's very simple and easy to do it at home itself using this cat card exercise. Ask the patient to hold the cat card at one arm length at same eye level. Hold the pen halfway between the card and your face. Ask the patient to move in front of your nose. Move in your front of the nose. Ask them to when it was double and when it was blurred, when it was single. You have to note the near point of convergence. Generally 8 to 10 centimeter is normal. When it was more than that, that is a convergent insufficiency. There is a no convergent point for the patient. Okay, ask them to trying to keep in clear focus. Clear focus. Ask the patient to appears as a double image, should be drawn away from the nose. Again ask the patient to do at least 10 minutes for every day. It has improves the convergency. Next I'm going to talk about the patch therapy. Patch therapy is nothing but one eye is covered to encourage the uses of weaker eye. This is commonly used to treat the lazy eye and squint. Lazy eye is nothing but amblyopia is also known as lazy eye. Squint, the deviation of the eyeball. In both cases, one eye is weaker than the other eye. The patches cover the good eye, focusing the child to use the weaker eye. In this way, the weaker eye becomes stronger. For this patient, we are having two pair of glasses. One will be the normal spectacles and other eye will be the patching. For left eye, this patient have a 6/6 visual acuity. Comparatively, right eye will be a 6/18 visual acuity with pinhole and with spectacle also. This is the right eye was amblyopic. We have to do the patch therapy for this patient. What to expect about the patch therapy? Wearing the patch can be very uncomfortable. If your child wears spectacles, put the patch on before the glasses. The patch should be stuck on the face, not the glasses. The edge of patch should be carefully sealed so that the good eye is completely blocked. As an alternative, homemade patches, special glasses can be used instead of the patch in older children. Patching schedule should be strictly followed. Young children may be initially restricted wearing the patch. Start with the short periods of time and slowly increasing the time for better result. That is the part-time occlusion and full-time occlusion. That is the total occlusions. Depending upon the cases, we have to decide which type of occlusion we have to give for that patient. During the patch, older children should read and younger children should play the game, fun games and eye exercise. Your child will start accepting the patch when vision improves in the weaker eye. Regular follow-up visit are must. There is no side effect for the patch therapy. It is very safe and it is very safe And when the patient was comfortable, the visual acuity will be increases slowly. You have to check the every visit, every follow-up visit, you have to check the visual acuity, and then how much improvement is there on like that. We will check using the patches on the spectacles. Ask the patient to read what is the color of the, what is the number, like that. You just ask the patient to read it. We will check it out. Thank you.